The knife is sitting next to the bent area here on the end. It's sort of flattened out, got a little bit of arch in it. And then down here, at this point, is where the damage is. This is where it's actually dented. Difficult to see, there's such bright sunlight here. All in all, not thrilled with the packing. Very poorly packed. Not a good idea. Come on. And with the sun shining on it, come on, Peanut, over here. Peanut. You can see the sun reflecting off the bent area down here at the end next to the knife. And I'll pick up the knife and I'll take it down here to the other area that's bent. And right here is where the crease is in the awning cover. So, not great.